Perform a first fit in Connexx 9. Please enter the fitting page to perform the first fit. Set the acoustical parameters that match your client's needs for the right and left ear. Under the tab Critical Gain, you can perform a critical gain measurement to reduce the risk of feedback. You can check and configure available fitting formulas on the Fitting Formula tab. Select the desired fitting formula and adapt it to your client's needs if necessary. Additionally, you can create an individual hearing profile for your client. Now, click First Fit. A green check mark appears on the First Fit section in the side navigation to show that a first fit has been performed.